joined by Captain Yasser Hashem to accept this award.
Good day, everyone. My name is Captain Yasser Hashem, and I am the Fleet Personnel Director in Bahri Ship Management. First of all, I would like to thank the Safety for Sea team for this recognition and for presenting Bahri Ship Management with the 2026 Crew Welfare Tanker Operator Award. At Bahri Ship Management, we believe that taking care of our seafarers is not only an operational priority, but also a responsibility that we carry across the company. Our workforce is the center of everything we do, and this recognition reflects the collective effort of our seafarers and shore team and leadership across the company. With more than 5,000 seafarers from over 58 nationalities sailing across our fleet, we continue to focus on building a safe and a supportive and inclusive work environment through a strong safety culture, onboard training, leadership development, and continuous crew engagement. This commitment is also reflected in our operational and safety performance across the fleet, including a strong tanker vetting and port state control results, which we believe they are closely connected to our seafarers, their well-being, and our engagement with our seafarers on board. We also remain committed to support their career growth and future maritime talent through a cadet development program and a career progression opportunities for our seafarers, as well as initiatives such as the Next Wave projects with IMO. At the same time, we continue to explore digital solutions and operational improvements to better support our crew on board to make their day-to-day operations safer, more efficient, and more convenient. Most importantly, I have to thank all our seafarers, and especially their families, for their dedication, commitment, and continuous support. This award truly belongs to them. Finally, thank you once again, Safety for Sea team, for this award.